Alright, and setting up the base station is as simple as plugging it into power using one of the two supplied mounts, locating it there. Big extension lead to the power pack, plugged in. So the reason I've been so keen to use this particular robot lawnmower is because it's got a proper mowing deck. If we, oh god, lift this up, you can see it's actually got, similar to what you'd find on a traditional lawnmower, not those razor blades like you see on some models. So that should give a really good consistent cut. Anyway, let's see how she goes. So now we just have to map out the area, which is as simple as just driving the perimeter of your yard. Alright, so that's the zone completed. Now I get to pick cutting height. So I'll set that to 5 centimeters. Blade speed standard, moving speed 0.8 meters per second. I can set the stripe angle, path spacing, mowing order. Alright, let's save. Alright, I've got the map all set up.
Starting mowing now. Attention, lawnmower starting now.
Oh, geez, it's fast. while he's doing his thing, I might get doing the edges. Let's see if I can work around this machine, not disrupt it too much. Check back in with Mr. LYMOW. Look at that. So first thing I've noticed on this, the pathing is so much better than other robot lawnmowers I've used. For the tree, mailbox, even the edges, I didn't have to set a no-go zone, and it's been able to use its cameras and sensors to work out there's something there and avoid it, which is made for a lot easier setup. It's given a really good cut too. All right, let's see what it does here. Alright, so you can see it's left about a, or maybe 20 centimetre strip on the outside. So each time I use it, I'll go in, revise the map, see where it's missed, see where I can push the boundaries a little bit further, and you can adjust the edges each time. So eventually we'll get rid of this little strip. But for a first go, that is really good. We've had no stoppages, no errors.
Docking to recharge.
Alright, looks like that's finished the mowing cycle. So you can see it's lifted the mowing deck up, and it should make its way back to the charging dock.
Charging started.
Beautiful. Now I think that slight issue with alignment was caused by the fact that I've got this on a slight hill. So it's at the bottom of my driveway. The instructions say it should be flat and level. This is just a temporary spot so I could test it, but yeah, when permanently installed, I'm sure it will drive straight in. All right, so just giving it a quick tidy up with the trimmer. I think that's given a pretty good cut. Especially for a first time. I didn't spend an awful lot of time setting up the boundaries either. I'll give it a bit of a tweak for next time. Overall, very happy with it. It was quick. It cut a lot faster than other robot lawnmowers I've used. I found the setup very easy. I think once I find a more permanent spot for the charging dock, should better get some really good results. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments, and let me know if you've considered buying a robot lawnmower for your yard. Comment down below, let me know what you think about the mower and how it did, and I'll see you next time.